So guys, I drive this ultimate grandpa Volvo, but the exhaust just broke. It literally came apart, and I hope it's gonna stick because I'm on my way to the garage. It broke just a few minutes ago. But now when I accelerate, it has a really epic beefy sound that I wouldn't want it to have all day, but for 20 minutes or so it's a lot of fun. So here's a traffic light, obviously. I'm waiting for it to turn green, and I'll give you a little sneak preview of what my now rally Volvo sounds like. Unfortunately, traffic is a bit slow. Here we go. You actually see people turn their heads, which is not what I want from a car, but it's hilarious. Here we go. Boy racer territory. If I was to be the first car on the next traffic light, so I'd probably put the pedal to the metal, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Traffic is really slow today. I'm just gonna leave the camera running for a bit. Maybe there will be more, I'm not sure yet. I'll just put this whole clip on the old interwebs, but you are free to stop watching here. I'm just gonna see if I can do a few more acceleration tests. Not even rush hour yet, I'm not sure what's going on, but oh well, may as well enjoy the nice weather. I did have more to do today, but this can't wait, especially since the exhaust is actually hanging loose. I checked it, it should be okay for a bit, but I'm not completely relaxed driving with it. But the sound sure makes it a lot of fun. Let's go for third gear for a bit. Oh boy, this shouldn't be fun, but boy is it fun. Try and take the first side street to get rid of this traffic, because there's someone in front of us driving 63 in an 80 zone. It's rather annoying, but what can you do? Maybe he's taking the first exit, that would solve the problem. Or they are taking the first exit. Oh. No, I did not. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Do you hear that? That's the exhaust clattering. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but it's not a sound I like to hear when driving, or at all. Well, that's one way of doing it, I guess. Okay, that's interesting footage there. All these Volvo drivers are the same, aren't they? Except I do indicate. Now that we're in a built-up area, the sound reflects to the houses next to me nicely. Ah, that didn't sound good at all. The exhaust just went clang, clang against my bottom. My car's bottom, not my bottom. That would be worrying. Okay, if you're going left, I'm going straight. No one can tell because you don't indicate. Oh, you do actually. Okay, straight it is. Clang. So I'm gonna go to the garage and pick up, and after that pick up my parents' car, so I have a spare car. The rattling is definitely getting worse, so I don't think this will hold very much longer. We are almost at the garage though, so that's good. Hello neighbors! I'm sorry people, I don't live here. But other than that, my car usually is almost annoyingly quiet because people never hear me coming. I also smell exhaust fumes, so it is getting into the car a bit. Lovely. You can't see it in the video, but people are looking with this look of, I don't know, very dismissive. They are not too happy about me driving here right now, and I can tell why. Okay, that was one of the last ones because we now really are almost at the garage. Which is a good thing. I'm just gonna park it in front of the garage and go boom once and see if they can hear on the inside, because that saves me a lot of explaining. There you go. Let's fix this.